break up to you, because you see them police here, bright and early, them out here, watch him put on him gun. Yo, it's too early for this, brother. It's too early, man. Who the fuck go up, man? Look at the man there, man. New Year's Eve, man. No, sir, man. Boy, it's too early, man.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Here is truly 876 by Bergs, you know. You get what I say? And today the last day of the year, you know, people. Yeah, the last day of the year. We don't know a Sunday the year end pan, you see me? Yeah, the year actually ended on the first day of the week. You see me? Yeah. So what you pre, people? 2023 had been what it was. You see me? Yeah. So right now we reach at the last day of the year. I will give thanks. You understand? Yeah. Right about now, people. If you've been watching previous videos, me telling me did have an eye leak. So I'm about to get it sorted out in the morning. Actually, what time now? 5 minutes to 8 right now. So I'm gonna get it sorted out in the morning. You understand? But before I reach over there, so I need a silicone, people. Yeah, I need a silicone, so I try to get it at this gas station right there. So I don't know if them have it over there, but I try to get it at the gas station right there. So you see me? Yeah. Then I have it, I have to go look for a place. As I say, a Sunday now. You know most place now open, you know. Or the gas station look like it open. There's a past place somewhere down there too, you know, but I don't know what time it open. But I have to check the gas station first and see. See if I can get it in there. People, so I have forward. I just pull up in a gas station here and see if I see this silicone here, people. You see me? Yeah. So forward. Tell me if I get it when I come back. Alright, people, get your pre. Nobody not even in a gas station, you know, but them not have the silicone I actually want either. But the part they will do the selling, no, I guess they must not work on in there for sell nobody, you see me? So the gas station actually open, but the cashier not come yet. You see me? So I go. You have a little parts place. But them little stretcher right to say you have a couple little parts place, you know. You see me? Yeah, I go check if them have it right there, so. And if they do, you just grab it. But yeah, couple little parts place there, but as I said the time earlier, just 8 o'clock and it's a Sunday morning now, so we don't know that go. You have this popular parts place here, so but this lock, boy, from this lock, you know, man. know it God, even if I'm open on Sundays. But yeah. Gas station would have been my best bet. That's one big gas station. When I just go. I mean, it carry a wide variety of things. So, you see me? If nobody did for have it, I would expect it for have it, you see it? But I'm going to try a couple parts place, I think, Portmore this. So I'm going to try this and see what I go on this, you see me? Yeah. Try them little area there and see what I go on, if nothing I go on, if nothing can go on for me. Because I need that. I know in a sense I go with the vehicle, I'm going to have that car that I'm going to need it for use. So I need that. So I'm going to just try Portmore this sun and see if I get it. Yeah man people, so as me I say, at the end of the year, you know, yeah man, we made it, you know. Yeah man, big up for yourself man, know the thing how you say it. Yeah. Today them say it's gonna be cloudy. Today and yesterday had the same weather. It's supposed to be mostly cloudy. But then tomorrow is supposed to be partly cloudy and then the rest of the days are sunny. So it's supposed to improve. This morning it was so windy. It's still a bit windy right now, you know, but not as how it was like last night and throughout this morning. So I hope so the weather might improve. Like the wind is good, you know, yeah. But just want to cloud them for one, because you know we don't really want a rainfall right now. You understand? Yeah. You see me? Yeah man, so today a big thing, fireworks I keep a town in a Jamaica. Yeah, you see me in a Kingston. Yeah, fireworks I keep, but I stay home people. You see me? Yeah, I stay home and go and chill. You understand? Yeah man. Just stock up on some food and some juice and stay home and ring in the new year. You see me? Yeah. Last year we didn't go basically taking the fireworks, but we never go downtown still. We did kind of go somewhere where we could have watched it from. You understand? Yeah, that did basically go on. But this year, I necessarily pre the fireworks that year, people. But just a brief go and jump on my block. Yeah. I easy myself. Yes, sight. Yeah. So this is a Newland Road, people, yeah. Newland Road, this is, see me? I don't know if the parts place are open so early, you know, because I say at 8 o'clock now, on New Year's Eve. Boy, I don't know, people they might just all lay down in the bed and this how the weather stay. I don't know Jamaican stay already, you know, man. From like a rain drizzle and the place stay like this, you know, man. They must say, oh, nah, come out. Oh, our mentality that in Jamaica, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, you know, our little style that. So I don't know, but that's how I get it. If I don't get it, I have to probably just go and make my way in a town and see if I can go now. See the parts place. I think you have a couple parts place still in a town. Some of the big place them, you know. Big parts place them, you know. I think you have a couple of them there, so Google and see if them probably like all Bergs and them place there. See if them all open today. I mean, probably I go open, but as I say, I don't know if the holiday might affect the opening hours. So maybe on a regular day them open, but yeah, them places open but at 9 o'clock. And as I say, you don't know if it affect the opening hours. You get me? Yeah, we don't know if the opening hours are going to be affected. But let's try some more gas station to see. if I get it another parts place them. But 9 o'clock will be a little bit too late for me. 9 o'clock work supposed to start, that go on already and everything. Car supposed to pull along and all that. So can't wait till 9 o'clock, people. Can't wait till 9 o'clock. Need to get it now. But then I tell you, you see them gas station like some places alone you can go and get everything. Some places, like the gas station I just got, in the gas station there, them actually stock. Them stock a whole heap of things. Whole heap of things. I go check the gas station. Just like how I pass it, I just go check it. I don't think them have it, but I go check it. I just go check for check see. But the gas station I just got, them stock a whole wide variety of stuff. And them stock like if you want like high-end things. As you know, like you buy oil, you can buy cheap oil or you can buy the expensive oil. You see me some place them no bother buy the expensive oil, them just buy the cheap oil and sell it, you see me? But the gas station them just go, them sell the dear thing them too, so you can go there go get it. So like that silicone and the regular silicone, you know. You understand? But from them I sell silicone, them supposed to just stock it and done. You see me? So I go there go check people. I allow the camera make it go around too. Not even go stop it. I make it go around me so far. People them not have it. I'm going to ask the cashier. I say you sell silicone. She says silly who? From here she says so boy I know say. Nah man. I say silicone. Then much less we go find the one where me actually want. Them not have it. But me I say something as simple as even silicone. Like them should I even sell the simplest one. Like the thing they want, them should I sell it. The one they actually want. No, I mean, sorry, them should have sell like even the grey one. Yeah, them should have sell it. Because the grey one are normally the one with the people, you see me? The grey one and the clear one. But the grey one a popular one, you see it? Yeah, the grey one a popular one. There's another gas station right there, so. I gotta check it. I have to go turn and go around there. But I gotta check it. I gotta check it too, just for check see. Because I don't want to pass them and I could have get it there and I not get it. You understand? So I just have to check it. So just gonna check to see. I really drop a Portmore last people. Yeah, because I never did a Portmore, you know. Yeah, all over last night. No, sorry, Spanish Town. Yeah, Spanish Town me there last time. I didn't go all over, but I left. That's Spanish Town, yes, side. So. But look, I rainfall over here last night, man. But anyway, let me see if them have this thing right here. I left the camera run again in the people. Therefore. People them not have it. You know, I feel. Why I don't know. I should get this from yesterday, you know. Cause but yesterday me kinda, you know, but I should have made some effort to get this from yesterday, people. Because trust me, that gonna be a task. Today Sunday, that gonna be a task. Unless if it boil down to me just waiting till them parts place the open, but Jaja know. It's gonna be a task, people. I go check down here, sir. There's a hardware store, you know, something like Home Depot. Yeah, we have a hardware store right down here, so I don't know if it open, but I gotta just go in there to go check. I gotta just check if them have it in there, because they sell a wide variety of things in there, so they probably will have silicone, but then after them have the one where me actually want to. So next gas station, I gotta check the gas station to people. Me, I gotta check here so too. I'm back over here, so. Yeah. Park here, so then people. See it? 1 second again, people. I'll make it run, you know. Alright people, so them sell silicone in there, you know, but them not the black one. I'm just the owner, man, and him say him hardly sell the black because people normally buy it at like parts place. You understand? Yeah. Like parts place, people normally buy it. And I never think them I don't know if them have it in a little hardware store, right? If it is open. I don't even think they'll have it, but no, I just have to check see them, you know? Check or may I pass. May I understand? Let me see. Oh, they're closed, people. They're closed. I don't even know if them are going to open. Well, car in there, so I don't know if them are going to open. See them time? Sundays, them open 9 o'clock. I don't know if them are going to open today still, but 2 car in there or something, but we don't know. Let's see. Let me see one parts place somewhere down here, so you know, people. So I could see if it open and if them have it. Because I may tell you. People around here, so road kind of bad, you know, people, man. Telling you. The worse than this still over there. Them kind of run some asphalt or barber green, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, see parts places still, but it's not look open. It's look locked. See them Global Auto Parts. It's closed. Closed, people. Big padlock they on the gate, panic gate. So you are going. Town we are going on. Yeah, town we are going, people. Another little small hardware place right around here, so but probably like I not expect him to have it, even if he move. Probably we have the grey one, but even if he move, I not expect him to have it. And him lock, so I not expect him to open. I not expect him to have it. Like a small hardware there, but sometimes them look hardware there, them look small hardware there. You know, like when you have some little store, them call them mom and pop store, some little small place where you don't think have certain things and them have everything, you know. Cause one time I didn't want something for buy, you know, and the amount of big place so I go even over the big hardware store over there so for check for the thing and yo, they didn't have it. And there's some just say, yo, my mother's checking like how my so near. Now I go take note now for me for check. And people me check and the damn man did have it. Yeah, he had it. Sorry. Yeah, so I don't know, I have to go in at Kingston right now, see you guys. There's another gas station that I could have checked, but that depend ferry. You know, it big to one them thing there, but it's not near as well. And when I go up there, I have to go around the road for come back to what I like me can just when I reach it, I pull over. It not gonna work like that either. I can't just pull over, I have to go way around. So I now better go up there. I'm going to Kingston, I try to figure out. Check some other gas station and then I try to figure out how I forget if for some of the case I forgot just wait for them big parts store there for open forget it. You understand? Oh yeah. So we are going to cross the waters right now, people. Yeah. New Year's Eve, as I say. You understand? Yeah. Go to church and everything there, you know? Yeah. Church over on my right side owned by Ronald Blair. You know Harold Blair? Long time pastor there? Yeah, brother church that. See me? Yeah. So let's see if we can get this thing in our Kingston side. Over here somebody watch a firework last year. Cause the community right there on the coastline. So over there we go and go watch it. The beach there right there, so you see me? So we just go up on the beach side. And I look straight over upon the waterfront on downtown Kingston. Whole harbour down there so yeah, you could see just even right as some people come 1 year I come right as you come watch it up on the bridge. Because when they're up on the bridge as you can see right cross in over there too. So a lot of times people come right as too. So tonight at midnight, no traffic stand still, everything right there. Because people just come and park up on the side of the road and then as you get closer to 12, nobody, people are just in at the road and I stop. Right, just so you know the fish vendor them place that we just pass. People come out, come buy them little fish, you know the boat them come in. You see me? People come buy them fish and thing. Some people don't really buy from the boat. I guess sometimes the fisherman them sell directly to the vendor them. You see me? And then you have to buy from the vendor them. But if you know the fisherman them, if you know the fisherman and you know say them go out to sea and you know them are coming, you know say them are coming in the morning, yeah? They can come out here and you know what they will sell it to. You see me? But more time you link them, they must say, no, I sell the vendor, buy directly from the vendor, which makes sense because remember the vendor buy from them every time, you know. Or you just buy like one or few times, you see me? So them sell the vendor and then the vendor put for them markup price on it and sell you. You see me? Yeah. So them not gonna sell it for the cheap price unless them can't get the sale, which highly unlikely. The vendor them always buy from them, you see me? Yeah. Vendor them always buy from them. This is a famous back road. You see me? You know, a lot of time I drive people, I'm not really telling you exactly which part I'm there. One sometime, me myself don't know the place, to tell you the truth, you know. You see me? And then sometimes you know just the reasoning and them things they go on more while, you see it? And then sometimes I go somewhere to when I just go to some music only, because sometimes I go somewhere and me and people are traveling, you see me, the conversation, they really want to know my personal business more while, you see it? But for that joke aside, more time we are hold some we are hold some different type of conversation, you see me? So you know, some of us go to some music over that. You see me? Yeah, and then you have the people them to like the music only video them to and thing to. So yeah, you see me? Boy, it look green and lush, people, but not lie, the camera probably not showing it as good as how me I see it still, but it look nice, you see me? Yeah. Weird. And cruise ship over there, so over Port Royal. People me look over Port Royal, I see a cruise ship. I'm sorry, I never go the other direction for to see it. Yeah. A cruise ship over Port Royal, people. Yup. Cruise ship is over there. Morning. Thanks. Yeah, 21 now, people. Probably I go reach me, I go in the next 10 minutes and I go hear what the mechanic say. I know if him have none or if him can recommend somewhere close by him to say, oh, go and go get it, them might open and go check them. So I just probably head go straight to him unless I try to remember if I go pass no more gas station where I go open now. I'm not too sure. But let's see. Break up to you, because you see them police here. Right and early them out here, watch him put on him gun. Yo, it's too early for this, you know, brother. It's too early, man. Who the fuck go up, man? Look at the man there, man. New Year's Eve, man. No, sir, man. Boy, it's too early, man. Yo, the man them there easy, you know, man. Yo. Too early for this, man. For tappy, man. Big early, man, in New Year's Eve, man. You want out there, so clock people. Yo, me say my mind just tell me say boy them around here, you know. Yo, no sir. Why police if you don't make the money one you don't want to make for 2023, you know. I'm sorry. But you're not gonna make it again today. You're not make it again today, police. So I better you just pack up and go me, man. Go on a station and just go and drive around and cruise, brother. New Year's Eve, man, backside, man. Now I say people fear broke the speed limit or nothing still, but man, no, if you have a chill pill, man. Right tune out here. And when people call police actually want police, you can't come, never ever available. But yet still you know out here right tune for catch people with a speed. If you tap it, man, tap the police, stop it! Yeah, man, you know, at all, you know, man. But big up the good police them still, you see me? Yeah. Big up the good police them, you see me? You have some good and some cool police out the road, you know. Yeah, man. You have some of them, man. Them cool, you know? Yeah. I mean, you have some police who tell me, yo, them don't like police, you know, man. One time I did a little small matter and something, man, I tell you now. Some little thing for them sign up for me. Like the man I reason with me and I asked me something and I said, no, you know. Man I said, no, but based on the facts that this year deal with you could have, you know. Where police can use them discretion and them little thing there. The man said, brother, you are use your discretion right now, but when book a next man we want money and hungry. Now use your discretion, he man tell me about the law. So I just do it that way and the man I say, yo, you know a real thing and talks in that. The adjective them we use for describe police, but never want to do it in another video, you see me? Yeah, man, and him a police. You see me? Yeah? A police. Man basically tell me say you don't like them. See me? Yeah? But you have some cool ones still, you see it? Yeah, you have some cool police still. Big up on yourself and you don't know the thing go. Rain slightly a Jew people, slightly. Over there, so right in front of me at Kingston Airport. Yeah. I don't know if it can accommodate big plane. I'm not sure. I don't know the length of the runway. I don't really know. You see me? It can accommodate big planes. So you know the storage for the car them where them shipping. Yeah, car for days. Some of them are new car, not all of them. Most of them are used car. Where the used car dealer them buy and sell. I know Jamaicans have them there as new car. Not for sound confusing. But we don't know in a first world country, new car, you take out the plastic off of the seat. And you first drive it. Them you carry away people them drive a fire with them need lease for them 3 years and them drive them and then them send them used car dealer them buy them from them and them send them out here and then them sell we. You see me? Yeah. So we have them 4-year-old, 5-year-old car and then that Jamaicans call new car more. You see me? But really and truly them used. But you do have some new car over there still where like Toyota Jamaica my shipping, ATL, them they are authorized dealers for the car them. So like Toyota Jamaica authorized dealer for Toyota. So they will sell new cars and new vehicle overall. They will sell it with plastic on the seat and them thing there. ATL, Stewards, them places will sell the new vehicle them to like the Audi them and the, you get what I say? Yeah, they will sell them as well. But most of the vehicle them over there I go to car dealership. You understand? Yeah. I go to the used car dealers them, most of them. Yeah. Oh people, by the way, actually Manley Meadows me are going on. Jeez and people, come start the video, I'm going to tell you now which part me I go from. Me I go Manley Meadows, alright? Yeah. So that's the thing there. But I'm not carrying exactly how the people in the yard. You don't know this. Yeah, the video will end before I reach there, but I in there somewhere. This is a feeding place, animal feeding, called Nutramix. So it's self feeding for like horses and animal overall. And mostly horse though. I think they probably sell like fowl feeding too. I'm not sure, but it would only make sense. But I know if you have fact them sell horse, the major in that. Because one time they did have some little something and it did end up. They did have like some contamination with the feed. And a few horses they get messed up, is it? Remember horse not cheap, you know, people. Yeah. Car money for horse people. Yeah. This is a gas station too, but it closed on Sundays. Yeah, it closed on Sundays, people. One time I get a ticket down here so to the man I hide up in there, so up on the left or so. Up in there the police hide people. I'm going to bend the corner when I come around there so down at the gas station and I see the green them and I say, yeah, I punch it. You understand? Yeah. Punch it, my people. And guess what go on? Babylon run out for me, jump out. Yeah, I get a ticket. I think I did 5 grand speeding ticket, $5,000. Me that got something like, I think, I don't remember I was zone this. I remember 50 miles zone out. We're doing it right now. I mean, I got something like about 70, I think, or something like this. I'm not sure. I don't remember. It never did that bad. Never did that bad. Because I see somebody else the day, I actually got caught. And somebody else, he come in there with a ticket. Same thing. Same thing. And, but then me that go like, them either go way over, like them either go like 40 miles over the speed limit. So them they end up have to pay a good amount of more money. Them either have to pay more than the 5 grand me pay, is it? Yeah. People, so this is Harbour Street building near Grace Kennedy head office. You know Grace Kennedy, right? Yeah. Big Grace Kennedy will sell the food them and them thing, the tin thing them, the mackerel and the ray. Ketchup. Yeah. For them head office this. They were actually right across the street from it. Up on the left, and they saw them did originally there. Even this building right there, so before the stoplight too. And they saw them did originally there, but them build up that one there, you see me? Yeah. Think I Chinese them give contract to build it, you know. Yeah man, so them build it up and move up across, but them still own them building there. And people will soon reach where we are going to, you know, just a few more minutes. So when I look at the harbour, yeah, Kingston harbour, see me? You know, we have the big prison over here up on the left side. Yeah. GP these people. See me? Yeah. Over here up on the right, you know, a Raytown. You see me? It's a Jamaican boat here. Yeah, Raytown on the right side. You know, people coming and say come buy fish because it's a fishing village this. Yeah, so people come buy fish and so. I'm not sure exactly which part doing it because I've never been here before to buy fish, but people do buy fish. Yes, I do. Here people and on left I saw Manley Meadows community. See me? Yeah. We're about to turn in. A little sign there right just up on the wall. Kinda hard to see, it's very small. Yeah. So alright people, give thanks for joining with me on this trip here, you see me? Yeah. Once we're up and running, plan to do another video later on today. So let's see how that work out, you see me? Yeah. And hopefully the weather kinda clear up and improve. You see me? So Yeah, we can. So surrounding and the area look nice and everything. You see me? Because I like when the sun shine and the blue sky there and something still. You see it? But you know life is a balance, so we have to have a little bit of this. But anyways, people, give thanks for journey with me. You see me? Bless upon yourself. I appreciate the support every time. 876 by Bert, and I'm out.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere.